Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you all in my online class of 7th. Today we will continue with our chapter number 6, Simple Linear Equations, exercise 6b. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. And don't forget to write your name, class and section in the comment box for daily attendance. Let's start with quick recapitulation. In this 3x plus 12 is equals to x plus 60, we are using two algebraic expressions, 3x plus 12 and x plus 60, which combined with equal to sign. So this become an equation, right? Here we are using only one variable, that is x. Having the power means highest degree is 1. So it is also called a linear equation in one variable. Further, we can solve this equation also when we will transpose any variable or constant from one side to another, sign reversed. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Multiply becomes division and division becomes multiplication, right? So here when we will transpose x from right hand side to left hand side, we have to subtract, and constant when left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. So 3x minus x will be 2x is equals to 60 minus 12 will be 48. X is equals to 48 by 2. Why? Because here you can see 2 is in multiplication with x. So when we will transpose, we have to divide. So 48 by 2 will be 24. So value of x will be 24. This is the solution of this equation, right? Let's start exercise 6b, sum number 29. After 16 years, Radha will be thrice as old as she was 12 years ago. Find her present age. So in that case, first we have to let her present age be x years. Then what about her age 12 years ago? Her age was x minus 12 years. And after 16 years, her age will be present age plus 16 years. X plus 16 years. Is it clear? According to question, what they are saying after 16 years, Radha will be thrice as old as she was 12 years ago. So when we will equate the equation, it is already 3 times. After 16 years, that age is already 3 times. So when we will equate the equation, 3 should be multiplied with her age 12 years ago, right? So equation becomes x plus 16 is equals to 3x minus 12. Now open bracket, when we will open bracket, x plus 16 is equals to 3x minus 12, 3 is a 36. Now transpose 3x from right hand side to left hand side, we have to subtract, and plus 16 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. So x minus 3x will be minus 2x, and minus 36 minus 16 will be minus 52. Cancel out these negative sign from both sides. 2x is equals to 52. X will be 52 by 2, that is 26 years. So that means her present age is 26 years. Now come to sum number 30. 1/4 part of a train is on one side of the bridge, 1/2 is on the bridge, and 25 meter is on the other side of the bridge. What is the length of the train? So here just let the total length of a train be x meters. Then part of a train is on one side of the bridge. They are saying 1/4 of total. So that means 1 by 4 into x is x by 4 meter. Part of a train is on the bridge. They are saying half of total length of the train. So that means 1 upon 2 into x is x upon 2 meters. This part of a train is on the other side of the bridge is 25 meters. Now according to question, total length of a train is equals to x, that we have let the length of the train be x, right? Now how we can calculate total length of a train? By adding part of a train is on one side of the bridge, part of a train is on the bridge, part of a train is other side of the bridge. So equation becomes x by 4 plus x by 2 plus 25 is equals to x. LCM of these two, x by 4 plus x by 2 LCM is 4. Then 4 ones are 4. 1 should be multiplied with x. X will come plus 2 twos are 4. 2 into x is 2x. Transpose x from right hand side to left hand side. We have to subtract, and plus 25 from left hand side to right hand side. We have to subtract. Right? Now x plus 2x is 3x by 4 minus x by 1. There is no denominator, so we can write 1 because we have to take LCM again. So 4 and 1 LCM is 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 into 3x is 3x minus 1 4s are 4. So 4 into x is 4x. So 3x minus 4x is minus x by 4 is equals to minus 25. Now cancel out minus sign from both the sides. X by 4 is equals to 25. Multiply 4 with 25 because here 4 is with division. So when we will transpose, we have to multiply. So x is equals to 25 into 4 is 100. So that means length of a train is 100 meters. Now come to sum number 31. That is, Rani is 3 years older than Rebecca. The sum of 2/3 of Rani's age and 3/4 of Rebecca's age is 87 years. Find their ages. In that case, first we have to let Rebecca's present age be x years. Then what about Rani's present age? Rani's present age will be x plus 3 years. Right? Because they are saying Rani is 3 years older than Rebecca. So her age will be x plus 3 years. Right? Now according to question, the sum of 2/3 of Rani's age. So that means 2/3 of Rani's age x plus 3, 2 by 3 x plus 3 plus sum plus and 3/4 of Rebecca's age. 3/4 of Rebecca's age, that is x, is equals to 87. So equation is 2 by 3 x plus 3 plus 3 by 4x is equals to 87. Now solve this equation. We have to take LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 4s are 12. Then 4 2s are 8. 8 into x plus 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 3 into 3x will be 9x is equals to 87. Now open bracket, 8x plus 8 3s are 24 plus 9x is equals to 87 into 12. Here 12 is in division, so when we will transpose, we have to multiply. So 87 into 12 will be 1044. Transpose 24 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract, right? And 8x plus 9x will be 17x. So equation is 17x is equals to 1044 minus 24. 1044 minus 24 is 1020. When we will divide it by 17, then x value will be 60. So that means Rebecca's age is 60 years and Rani's age is x plus 3. That means 60 plus 3, that is 63 years. Is it clear? Let's do some extra numericals. First one, solve the equation 3 plus x is equals to 3x minus 9 and write in statement form also. So first we have to solve this equation. 3 plus x is equals to 3x minus 9. For transpose 3x from right hand side to left hand side, we have to subtract, and when we will transpose 3 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. So x minus 3x is equals to minus 9 minus 3. So x minus 3x is equals to minus 9 minus 3. X minus 3x will be minus 2x and minus 9 minus 3 will be minus 12. Cancel out negative sign from both sides. X value will be 12 by 2, that is 6. Right? Now we have to convert this equation into statement form also. What we can write? We can write as x increased by 3 is thrice x decreased by 9. Okay? Now second numerical, solve x minus 2 upon 2 minus x minus 1 upon 3 minus x minus 3 upon 5 equals to 2. So in that case, first we have to take LCM. LCM of 2, 3 and 5 will be 30. Right? So when we will divide 30 divided by 2, it will be 15. So 15 into x minus 2. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So minus 10 into x minus 1 and 5, 6 are 30. So 6 should be multiplied with x minus 3. So minus 6 x minus 3 will come equals to 2. Right? Now open bracket. 15 ones are 15 into x is 15x minus 15 twos are 30 minus 10x minus minus plus 10 minus 6x minus minus plus 18. When we will transpose 30 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to multiply. Right? Now 15x minus 10x will be 5x and 5x minus 6x will be minus x. Minus 30 plus 10 will be minus 20 and minus 20 plus 18 will be minus 2 is equals to 2 into 30 is 60. Right? Now transpose minus 2 from left hand side to right hand side. We have to add. So 60 plus 2 will be 62. So value of x will be minus 62. This negative sign we will apply with the numbers only. Okay? So a value of x will be minus 62. Now I am giving you some numericals from exercise 6b and extra numericals too. So from exercise 6b you have to solve sum number 3, 9 and 32. Right? These three numericals you have to do in your classwork notebook, and extra numerical, from extra numerical these two you have to do in your classwork notebook too. PDF of this home task and today's work is also available in description below. If you have any query, then you can write in comment section. Okay, bye bye, take care.